In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give users access to the generative AI tools in HubSpot. This task is straightforward and can be quite beneficial in enhancing user capabilities within your platform. So let's dive right in. First up, you'll need to navigate to the user guide on the HubSpot website. This is the central hub where you can manage various settings related to user access and permissions. If you aren't sure where to find it, simply head over to the main page of HubSpot and look for the user guide link. It's a good idea to bookmark this page for any future reference or setting modifications you might need to make. Once you're on the user guide page, go ahead and click on Settings. You'll find this option in the main menu. Accessing the settings is essential since it will allow you to tweak the necessary configurations to grant or restrict access to features, which is what we need to do today. These settings are neatly organized, making the navigation fairly intuitive, especially if you're somewhat familiar with HubSpot's interface. After you've clicked on Settings, the next step is to locate and click on the AI section. HubSpot groups all AI features and settings together, ensuring they are easy to find and manage. By focusing on the AI settings, you're one step closer to unlocking the full potential of the generative AI tools for your users. Remember, this step is key because accessing the AI settings will put you in the right area to make the necessary adjustments. Now, here comes the crucial part. Look for the option titled, Give Users Access to Generative AI Tools and Features, and click on it. It's often highlighted, so it should stand out once you're in the AI settings section. Clicking on this option will bring up the necessary controls you need to enable these advanced tools. This will empower your users with cutting-edge AI functionalities, which can make a significant difference in their workflow efficiency and creativity. Remember, providing access to these tools is not just about turning on a switch. It opens up numerous possibilities for your team to innovate, automate, and enhance their work processes. So, make sure these tools align with your organizational goals and ensure that the users have had proper training or orientation on how to make the most of them. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully given your users access to HubSpot's generative AI tools. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, HubSpot's support resources are incredibly helpful and can guide you through any additional configurations you might need. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more valuable tutorials. See you in the next video.